What was that?
I don't know.
Alright, so do you want Daddy to do it or you?
Me.
Well, then hurry up.
Hi.
I don't know. You want me to try?
Can you make it kind of gentle?
I'll try. Hold on. Got it. Show it. Show me the tooth. Ah!
I taste the blood.
Let me see. You're a vampire. Show me. Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye.